Today I'm going to put this small whisk in this electric drill to see how useful it is. If you haven't got an electric whisk or a food processor, this simple hack could make your life a lot easier. I thought I'd start by using it to try whipping some cream. This double cream is nice and runny to start with, and I wanted to make it a nice firm consistency. So I put the whisk in and started up the drill. You do have to be careful not to splatter it everywhere. And it didn't take long before it started to feel a bit thicker. I carried on for another minute or so until it became thick and turned into this beautiful whipped cream. Far easier than whisking it by hand. And really useful if you haven't got an electric mixer. Next, I thought I'd try it out for beating egg white. So I separated the yolk from 3 eggs, put the whisk into the egg white and gave it a spin. It didn't take long at all before it started getting bubbly and turning white. And after a minute or so, I had this lovely fluffy egg white. Perfect for making meringue or to use in various other recipes. And finally, I thought I'd try using it to make a milkshake. So I added a couple of scoops of ice cream into a glass, topped it up with milk, and added some chocolate powder. I put the whisk in and started it up. I made a bit of a mess to begin with because I went in a bit quick. But I carried on and ended up with this really quick, delicious, foamy chocolate milkshake. Pretty cool, huh? I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.